Hola chicos, ¿qué tal? Bienvenidos de vuelta. El subjuntivo, I know. One of the most challenging aspects of Spanish grammar. I want you to understand what it really means, rather than how to make it. Subjunctive, rather than a tense, because it is a series of tenses, it is a mood. And what do I mean by that? That's what I want to elaborate on. Subjunctive usually is one of the things you are more afraid of, and I want you to be confident about it because Spanish people don't even think about it. Okay? So I want you to get in that mindset regarding subjuntivo. I want you to feel at ease using it. Comemos and comamos. Why do Spanish people have two different words for the same English occurrence? To make it more difficult for you? No, not really. In English you say do and make, but in Spanish there's only one word for it, hacer. Do you even think about it when you differentiate, when you choose do, when you choose make? Do you think about it? I don't think you do. We don't think about subjuntivo when you use it. So I want you to feel like that. I want you to understand what it really means. Because if you get there, it's going to be much, much easier. And you're going to be able to use it like this. Okay? Of course, there's like nice charts and mnemonic techniques I'm going to show you. But that's not enough. You need to really get to the core of it if you really want to master this mood. The fundamental difference, and you know this already, you've been working on it, between indicative and subjunctive is that indicative deals with action, certainty, truth, right? Like the concrete. But subjunctive is about desires, doubts. You know where I'm going. It's not really something you can grab. It's something uncertain. It's something that's to do with the emotions, yeah, with the feelings. So right on the real, we're dealing here with the possible. And I want you to go carefully through the notes. You know where to download them. I hope you've done it already. If not, go for it. And read carefully, go through all the examples, okay, regarding indicative and subjunctive contrast, please. The present is going to be mainly what you're going to use in the living certificate. You know how to form it, okay? It's in the notes anyways. We're not going to deal with that here. You can do some work on your own. But basically, you're going to be able to remember all those nice shortcuts that in case you block during the exam and you forget, gets you there anyways, yeah? The famous weird charts, that's going to be very, very helpful too, because subjunctive is not a tense again, it's a series of tenses. Well, for you, it's mainly present, okay, that are triggered, and that's the key word. You're going to find different expressions that are going to trigger subjuntivo. What kind of expressions we're going to find? The ones belonging to the wish, to the emotions, to the influence realm, to the field of requests, or to the kingdom of doubt. And that's where you're going to dwell, okay? Before you get to the actual form of subjuntivo. You need to understand why we are using it. And that's the important. Once you get there, it's easy peasy, yeah? Another one, you find in notes, more detail, go through it. Do some practice. Understand the essence of it, and you sort it. When are we going to use a subjuntivo mainly? Opinion piece. We'll get there. Thanks for listening again. I'll see you in the next episode. It's been a pleasure. Get through your notes. Hasta pronto.